really gross and big. I hope I get a par. I love this hole so much. Hello everyone. I've only played 3 rounds of golf this year. I played some golf. Went 9 holes, couple pars. Pretty shitty shot. It's a par 5, so we got time. That went very right. That was with my 5 wood. So that was actually a pretty shit shot. I normally like to be over in 2, obviously, so now we gotta avoid all the trees. And that was worth it. Use my 5 iron. Don't judge me. I'm really not good with my irons. It is currently cart path only. I actually don't even know if you could see me hit that. The worst camera lady ever. Cleared the bunker. I shouldn't have even been near the bunker in the first place. This is for par. Oh no. Actually, that wasn't so bad. Putting downhill. First hole on the back nine. That was a double. Oh God, drinking and driving. But this is a par 4. I don't like that. This is one of my favorite holes. Decent shot. It's really hard to say where my ball is. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. Just destroying the ground. Oh my God. The worst camera lady ever. It hit the edge of the bunker and bounced out. We'll just chip it on and put it in. I hope I get a par. I love this hole so much. The worst camera lady ever. I love bogeys. That's a fuck off black squirrel. So I like to pee at this tree on this hole. And one time I found like an actual human dump. It was really gross and big. They have toilets here. That's what nature calls, you gotta answer. So this is a par 3. Oh, I never shut it off. The worst camera lady ever. I'll place you like right here. Oh no. Oh God. Nothing is as bad as my chipping. Double bogey strikes again. Quit looking at my crotch. Fuck. Now we have a par 5. Holy. If I wanted it to go that high, I would have used my fucking 60. Time for my wood. I love it. My wood. My trusty wood that I love so much. Man's wood. It's been used. It's been passed around. We're on the tee box. 2 holes over. I'm gonna use my mulligan. This battery is at full power. You didn't get to see my great wood shot. There's the white stake. There's my ball. Wood again. So that basically followed the cart path. I wasn't expecting it to go where I was aiming. I'm not that good normally. We are in pitching realm. Didn't hit you. We got a pretty long putt here. Oh. We're just getting worse and worse here. Number 1 most hated par 3 of the course. We are in the fucking bunker. I don't want to go to the beach. Oh my God. Was I aiming over there? I don't like going in the bunker. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, God. No, 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 no. I literally almost just fell out of the cart while driving. Lifted off the ground a bit. Okay, this hole is par 4. I love this hole. Drive? We're not too bad, actually. We're gonna use my 9-iron here. 9-iron. And that went swimmingly. Good members here. In a perfect world, I would chip it in. Chipping the ball in the hole is top 5 feelings. Aside from getting drunk. I'm getting a little bit rambunctious. Pitching that. She wanted a bit more juice, but the bottle was empty. So this is for par. And she wanted more juice. I'll take a bogey any day. This hole is kind of the bane of my existence. We got some fucking poop on the course. It looks really hairy. Oh, no. Right next to the hole. That's only a bogey. In 1 and then over in 2. That's ideal. Piss all over the place. I don't even see the pin. Holy Jesus. I might have done it. I've done it. Holy fuck. We are on the green in 2. Par. Gotta crush it. That's a great crush. Right in the center of the fairway. I think that was the best drive I've ever had on this hole. We have a big chip on here. And you know what? Another bogey. Ah. Look, I got Percy Pigs from England. Okay, bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.